Namaskar, welcome to IMD's daily weather briefing program. Today is 20th February. If we see highlights, so heavy rainfall is likely at isolated locations of South Tamil Nadu and South Kerala on 21st and 22nd, and gradual rise in maximum temperature likely by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over northwest India during next 7 days. If we see yesterday's weather, so no significant rain reported over any parts of the country. However, dense fog conditions for a very short period during morning hours reported over Kushinagar in East Uttar Pradesh, Amritsar and Narnaul in Punjab and Haryana respectively. And if we see minimum temperature scenario, so minimum temperature scenario departures were above normal by 1.6 to 3.1 degrees Celsius over North India, especially Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, West Rajasthan, Central India, Madhya Pradesh, East India, Bihar and West India, Saurashtra, Kutch and Maharashtra, and also over Odisha and Kerala. And maximum temperature were also appreciably above normal by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius over Western Himalaya region, especially Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, adjoining plains including Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, East India, Bihar and Northeast India, especially Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura, and by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over West Rajasthan, Vidarbha, Jharkhand, Gangotri, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, and near normal over rest parts of the country. Synoptic conditions, so there is a upper air cyclone circulation over over equatorial Indian Ocean and adjoining southwest Bengal, and it is likely to move west-northwestwards towards Sri Lanka during next 24 hours. Another cyclone circulation over east equatorial Indian Ocean adjoining southeast Bengal extends up to middle levels, and under its influence a low pressure area is likely to form over the same region during the next 48 hours, and it is likely to move west-northwestwards thereafter. So these are the two systems, and there is a trough runs from southwest Bengal to Lakshadweep area across South Tamil Nadu and South Kerala and lower levels, and also there is a western disturbance runs in the form of a trough from central parts of Uttar Pradesh to North Gujarat across central India, and other cyclone circulation like over East Bangladesh, Northeast Assam also there. So with these synoptic systems, if we look at forecast of minimum temperature, so minimum temperature especially Maharashtra, where there is no significant change likely during the next 4 days. However, gradual fall is likely by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius thereafter, and there is likelihood of gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during subsequent 5 days after. Otherwise, there is no significant change likely over the region during the next 2 days. And if we see the maximum temperature scenario, so gradual rise in maximum temperature likely by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over northwest India during the next 7 days, and gradual rise is also expected in maximum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over central India during the next 2 days, and gradual rise in maximum temperature also likely by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over Gujarat and Maharashtra during the next 2-3 days. And if we see weather warning, so there is no weather warning for today except some possibility of thunderstorm over Kerala and Andaman Nicobar Islands with gusty winds, and also on 21st heavy rainfall over South Tamil Nadu, South Kerala, thunderstorm over the region and also over South Interior Karnataka. And if we see the weather warning for 22nd, heavy rainfall likely to continue over South Tamil Nadu and South Kerala with thunderstorm over Karnataka and also over Uttarakhand. And on 23rd, thunderstorm warning for Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh and Odisha and also for Karnataka and Kerala. On 24th, thunderstorm activity over Odisha and Chhattisgarh and also for Karnataka. Otherwise, there is no weather warning on 25th and 26th. Namaskar, Jai Bharat.